What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva layers like a pro. If this video helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. On your design, click the element that you would like to layer. Once you have selected it, then go to position. You can then choose if you would like to bring it forward, to front, backward, or to back. So as you can see, my picture is currently in front of the word days. So if I send to back, you can see that it goes completely behind everything. And if I say bring forward, then it is forward, but it is still behind days. And then to bring it completely forward, I click to front. This helps you place text behind images or vice versa and organize overlapping elements. To center an element, you can also click it, select the three dots, scroll down to align to page, and then you can choose where you would like it to be aligned. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.